BJP MLAs from Manipur who are in Delhi to meet central leaders about the installation of a popular government in the state by revoking the president's rule government have convened a meeting at Manipur BHAWAN located at Sardar Patel Marg, New Delhi today. According to reliable sources, the meeting was held after the MLAs failed to secure an appointment with the BJP central leaders until yesterday. However, details of the meeting remain undisclosed as the BJP legislators have not issued any information about it so far. It is expected that BJP Northeast Coordinator Sambit Patra will meet the BJP MLAs. However, the date and venue for a potential meeting between the MLAs and central leaders including Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP National President JP Nadda remain uncertain. The BJP MLAs currently staying in Delhi to meet central leaders include ex-Chief Minister N. Biren, Tomram Robindro, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Haikam Dingo, Soraisam Kibi, Thokchom Satyabrata, Sapam Kunjakishore, Komandabam Ibomcha, Konkam Robindro, Yumnam Khemchan, Usham Deben, Thaunaujam Basantakumar, Dinganglung Gangmai, Karam Sham, Thaunaujam Sham Kumar, Kumukcham Joykishan, Thongam Biswazit, KH Raghumani, Paunam Brozen, SS Olish, Shangtem Susindro and RK Imo. Notably, no Kuki MLAs are among the legislators, although NPP MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan is reportedly included in the group.